Oh yeah, play this. Let's do this. Just move that a bit. Let's go. Driving in my car, right out to the head. That bomb be shaped like a deer. There we go. Alright, let's see how easy this is with a mouse. Probably way too loud. There we go. That's good. That's good. Dang, this thing's so laggy. We hit that. We hit those. We hit those. Never mind, we don't. Never mind, we don't. Dang. This might be a very bad one right here. Smell that flower, buddy. Dang, dang. This might be a bad one. No. Yeah, this is definitely a dud one right now. Alright, let's go. Hey. Alright, she's about to do her super attack in a few seconds. After I hit her. Dang it. No, she's not gonna do her super attack until this. Alright, let's go. Dang, we're not surviving this. Oh, that was a hard run. Yeah. Alright. Let's do this time. Pray. He was close. This is the freaking progress bar. Ooh, we doing good right now. Power. It's okay, we have enough health to tank those hits. Not the sword hits. The swords do way too much to tank. Ah, we hit all three of those. No. There we go. Dang, I was not paying attention. Oh no. Alright, it's okay. We almost defeated her. Dang. I'm probably gonna die. Dang. Is it gonna let me grab it? Thank you. Yeah, this is where we die. Guys. No, we survived. Dang, we might do this. Dang, no, the trees are probably gonna get us killed. Maybe one more hit or two. No. Dang it. I didn't know she did that twice. Alright. Nope. Not hitting us today. Oh, nope, that hit us that time. fact that that perfectly times with the song shift right there. No, not the swords, not the swords, not the swords again, not the swords again. We're halfway through. We're almost at the wall of swords. I think this might be the wall of swords. There it is. Alright, I think this may or may not be her special attack. Nope, not her special attack. Just go. We might have enough health to tank this special attack right here. Alright. If we don't get hit too much times after this, and actually heal, we might be able to actually do her second powerful attack right there. We might be able to survive this. Oh my gosh, she's dead. She's dead. One more hit. One more hit. Hey, hit. Let's go! Only maybe 4 to 5 times. Let's go! Turn that up louder for y'all. There we go. Freaking long black knife. The song is so good. Nope, I can't see. The secret endings do not work on this edition. So, yeah, these do not work just yet. Alright, let's just redo this game. Let's just do slow speed. Collect flowers. Dang it, we didn't get those flowers. Give me them flowers. I don't know why you have to sniff the flowers and it's not called eating the flowers. That's just weird, but not think too much about that. This game looks like it's completely made out of paper, but it's so cool. Ooh, 3 flowers. Dang, sniff all of them. Dang it, we completely missed those flowers, but not these ones. Do not hit the tree, no! The trees hurt bad. Do not hit the red flowers, they have thorns. Ah, we're grabbing the freaking vine things. They hurt. Where is another normal flower? There they are. No, one more? There we go. This spins a bit. There we go. Oh, let's do the hungry ones where we do berry bushes and pizza guys. And the flowers do still are good. Man, they should have put the actual driving in my car, at least for the boss, like before you hit death, and change her to the rolling night right there. Right, look at me. Flower, flower, flower. Yes, go. Dang it. Dang. I cannot do these. I cannot do this. Well, where's the pizza people? I need some pizza. I think I clicked. Ouch. Not the tree. I hate the trees. No, I hit him. He's in a tree. Pizza. Pizza. Dang it. We only got one pizza. Dang it. Brother, what is this computer doing? Gimme. Honestly, I don't remember what the dude in the tree does. What's this? Oh. He just does more progress. Let's go. Certainly not risking my whole game. Yeah. That might be the end. Dang it. Flower. This might be it. No. Alright, let's get one of these dudes and we might be good. There we go. Alright, we can do the Bergen night thing again. Even though I could have done that again after all. Driving in my car. Alright, we have to do full speed to even hit her. Never mind, I forgot. Dang. How? One more try with the one night, and then I'm gonna end this video over here. Because my racetrack pizza's gonna be here after my aunt Uncle gets back. Let's go. Oh, this is exactly why I love freaking Black Knight. This song right here. This is fire. It's the insane one, not for some reason the other song is also playing, but not the other one. This one. I should not risk it for a flower. Dang, we actually dodged him. Is this? Nope, not the wall first. Smell the flower. Dang, I'm surprised she hasn't done her insane attack yet. Why would I give myself karma? Oh my gosh. Ouch, that hurts. Ouch. Don't hit me. Yes. Do not get hit by a sword, game. Dang it. Do not do the swords. Alright, thank you. I could... No! I need to hit her! And then she will do her special attack for the second time. There we go. Alright, we have a lot of health. We could definitely tank this next one. Was she gonna... Is she not gonna... Oh! Oh, we did it again. Only 15 minutes into the video. We did it again. Dang, the fact that we did this only 2 tries? We actually did this twice. 5 laps at Freddy's. What the fudge? Is there supposed to be a Five Nights at Freddy's out there? Well, I'm not gonna keep having these going off, so I'll just end the video here. See y'all later. 16 minutes.